Hi guys, I'm John Andrew Harris. I'm a freelancer. It's about a year now since I started doing freelancing, and I recently landed a gig about a few months ago and submitted a project a while ago, and I learned that they made 60K a year using this automation. Didn't post about it, and it went well, so I might have used this for starting my YouTube channel. I've been thinking it for a while, so this is my first video, and I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is a simplified version of what I did for them. So any e-commerce and real estate for even Airbnbs, I would recommend this automation to repurpose their content or getting uh, their UGC ads or UGC contents with AI. This is will be a really helpful automation for you guys if you are in those niches. And this is the first automation that whenever we put a viral link in the Google Sheets, it fetches the details from Apify, like the first it runs through the username of the account, and from there it gets uh, the data ID. If you're familiar with Apple, this is pretty much bread and butter. And you have all of the data right here. What you can use it to is that basically doing analytics and then proceeding a filter based uh, process in right there. What happens is, what can we do is that we can make a filter based out of this, make the videos only proceed if the views are only after 100k or 10k, if you are monitoring a specific account or so, or either it's from your account. So it gets the file, it uploads. You have to upload it to Gemini from MP4 format. Keep that in mind. You're gonna if you're using or from the video is from another format or multiple sources, you can use Cloud Convert, which is Cloud Convert. Yeah, this is basically it. You can use this if you are using multiple video formats that is from multiple sources. That really helped us out, so you have to check that out. After uploading the video, you have to set a correct amount of time that will take uh, the time to upload the video. So make sure you keep that in mind, and you have to create the title for the video, which seems to be essential for the Creatify. With the script, you have to create a title and the script or description. You have to use the module, create a link from parameters. This module helps us to come up with the or generate a UID, which is how things run on Creatify. You have to have an UID for every video that you produce, and after that you have to make a request, which is basically use this format, use post. And just a second, I might reveal my APIs. And this is the JSON format that you have to use. The name, the Instagram or whatever the platform that you are going to post, it makes the aspect ratio based on that. You can also determine the target audience, which I haven't done in here, but you can. And visual style is, you can do bunch of visual style like side by side and top bottom side and the bubble side that we are doing right now. So yeah, you can also change the voices, scripts, and background music, and so on. And you have to also give out, there will be an ID that is generated from Creatify, this module, and you have to pass it down here so that it recognizes the video with the UID. I'm gonna show that right Now, yeah, so this is the ID from this module, and this is pretty much it. You can do captions, you can add a CTA, you can also use, I haven't used this feature, but you can also, I'm talking about the CTAs, because it is a bit of annoying in the back, but if you don't want it, you can set it to true. So yeah, if you can add captions, and there's a bunch of shit. Yeah, this is pretty much. But I think probably you don't have to play around with this if you're just making a general content. So yeah, this is pretty much what you have to do in the request, and you have to give enough time to generate the video based on the length of 30 seconds or 1 minute. Based on that, you have to give the essential time for it and get the video output. You can get it either from adding a webhook right in the HTTP request, or you can do it the other way, but I think this way is more easier than this. You can add a webhook and catch the webhook from another trigger, and when the video is ready, it'll post the data on uh, the webhook, and you can catch the URL, MP4 URL, and get the file right here. But it just uh, ignore the router, and yeah, you can post a video on Instagram or upload it to Google Drive for later use. So this is pretty much it. And to give you a couple of warnings, what you might mess up while building this is that building up the prompts, which is you have to make the prompt that is friendly to JSON format, because the video is pretty much giving all the requests on JSON. If you are stuck in any of the formats, use Postman. It's a really good way to figuring out what is happening in the APIs, what is wrong with that. That's been a really help. You should want to check that out. And yeah, what else am I missing that you might run into? Yeah, the video formats, especially make sure you look out for MP4s, and the video lengths, the timings, make sure they're compatible. So, and these are just error triggers when it uh, breaks. You have to make sure to give another try on those modules. That's why these are here. Yeah, that's pretty much out. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. I'll help you guys as much as I can. So, yep. See you soon. Peace.